Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVSAUDIO in Roselle, New Jersey. Beautiful Street Glide. Came down from Massachusetts. We're trying to help him over the phone. We were going back and forth to help him troubleshoot the issues. Then he finally just got pissed off, bit the bullet, and took the 5-hour ride to bring it to us so we can make it right. He did the right thing, got all the right parts, all parts that we use, all the right components. He just couldn't find the right shop to execute properly, even though he gave them specific instructions on how he wanted everything done. So we're gonna pull it apart, we're gonna make it right, we're gonna show you what's wrong with it. He's running all our favorite brands. We have the Ground Zero yellow baskets, evox Sound Digital, Hertz Mille Pro 6x9s, Prv Neos, diamond horns, all the right equipment. Just can't get it to sound right and can't get rid of the noise and the popping. We're going to take care of it. You're probably saying that the wiring looks good and the install of the amps looks good. That's only because the customer redid it. So all this nice and organized, that was the customer. The issue was he didn't know where to put the DSP. This is not a good location for the DSP because this bike has an LED headlight. Anybody that does amplifiers and DSPs and any sort of LED lighting knows you have to keep the RCAs and the DSP away from the LED headlight. The headlight does produce EMF, and EMF causes noise. So you have radiated noise coming out of the headlight being picked up by the RCAs, transmitted to the audio system. So this is the absolute worst spot for the DSP and the RCAs because the headlight's right here. See, this is exactly why the bike is here. He specifically requested an oxygen-free copper wire, and that is not what he got. Install gear 8-gauge wire is not copper wire. So that's not copper. This 10-gauge is definitely not copper. Looks like the main feed wires coming from the back might be copper. We'll know once we get to the battery. But these wires leaving the fuse block are definitely not copper. So the job's half done right. Amps aren't bolted down. See how easily I was able to pull that up? So the Velcro's not doing a really good job. See that? So we're gonna make a plate for it. We're gonna bolt it down.